The x-axis is not according to the scale. This is just to explain you the point. This period was very long period, Paleolithic. But here I put 10,000 BP. 10,000 BP means 10,000 before present, and before present means 8,000 BC. Agriculture was started here. This is known as the first agricultural revolution. If in GS paper there is a question, the first revolution, agricultural revolution, that was 8,000 BC. We read many revolution, green revolution, second revolution, third revolution, again the second green revolution. All these are having different meanings. The first agricultural revolution means 8,000 BC. When man started domestication of plants and agriculture, when he was having more food, the population started growing. This graph was almost parallel to the base. The population was not growing, or it was growing marginally. But after this agricultural revolution, there was more to eat. Supply of food became regular and the population started increasing. The second thing in the human history occurred was the Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution in Britain. This is 1779. Industrial Revolution started from Britain, spread in Europe and then to other parts. In the Industrial Revolution, the muscle power was replaced by mechanical power. Steam engine and factory came. So after this, man started producing more goods. There was more increase in population. This continued, but in 1945, after the Second World War, there was another revolution. That was medical revolution. When the countries became independent, the colonies became independent, these colonies started planning their economy and started spreading the medical care, medical facilities, and by providing more medical facilities to the urban and rural people, the death rate was checked. When the death rate was checked, there was more increase in population. In some countries, it took the shape of population explosion, Visfotak. This is actually, and in 1965, in some of the countries, there was diffusion of high-yielding varieties to provide more food to the people, known as the Green Revolution. The Green Revolution increased more production. Medical care plus Green Revolution provided a very advantageous position, and after this, it is growing. It is going steep. अब लौट के आने का नाम नहीं है. The population is growing unless there is some positive check. The positive check is possible. You have done the Malthusian theory. So this simple graph you may not give in the examination, but it gives you some idea how the population of the world grew.